It's time for a video update. Carrots are coming up. Of course, I wanted to show you the potatoes. You see the bags, potatoes. Those are the potatoes. They're growing flowers now. And look how tall the bags are filled with soil as far as they can go. Everything's just exploded. As you can see, and it's beautiful. Pollinators. These are my beans. Now the bean pole that I made fell over because the beans, they pull and they're heavy and the wind and all that other stuff we had going on. So what's good though is that they're about to start flowering. So that means I'm about to have some beans. I took my onions out, harvest those. They're upstairs curing beautifully. And in their place, I planted some bush beans because they fix nitrogen in the soil. So the nitrogen that was depleted by the onions now will be replenished by the beans. You see that little funny looking thing? That's my celery. It got a fungus, and the fungus is making it curly. It looks disgusting. I'm going to cut it and chop it, and yeah, I don't know. I thought I was going to be able to juice with it, but I have to look that up and see if I can. I don't know if I can with the fungus. Here's my tomato plant. These are my tomatoes. And as you see, the birds, that's the tomatoes' turn. The birds come. I caught one in here eating my tomatoes. These are my carrots. They're ready to be pulled. I pulled one. Beautiful. But I think I let them stay in there too long, so I'll see what other ones I can pull. Let me show you. This is the bag of sweet potatoes. Beautiful. Just like I wanted them to. I wanted them binding through the fence, and so now they are. And I can't wait till they start flowering because that's going to be really pretty too. These are the other potatoes in the box. And filled that up with dirt because you heal them as they grow. And they're going to start flowering soon too. So that means that once those flowers come and they die and the plant dies, the potatoes will be ready. This is my other tomato plant. I'm going to show you the tomatoes that are down there. Beautiful. A bunch of them. They have not turned yet. But I have to continue to prune it. I pruned it once. Oh, hello. I didn't know. Don't know how long I was on there. But I pruned it once. And I have to prune it again. And here's this beanstalk. So beautiful and tall. No, it's not near the wire. That's an optical illusion. Okay? The wire is about 4 feet from there, so, or more. Check out my sunflowers. My sunflowers. So when this baby was little, what I did is I topped it. Only because the top had got something was wrong with it. So I plucked it off. And then that baby split. And now she is a huge double sunflower. So the heads are just now starting to grow. So that's going to be beautiful. Canna lilies coming in. Those bulbs are in the ground. And hopefully they do well. And I have my black raspberry bush over here. And it's, I hope I get some berries. That's all I'm going to say. I just clipped some secondary tops off my broccoli. So broccoli's doing great. I have secondary tops. That's when you cut off the top and then other tops come in its place around the center. So it's doing great. I put some more sweet potatoes in. So just because why not? I had the bucket, had the soil, had the sweet potato. So looking forward to that baby growing. And I planted a couple of squashes where I pulled my spinach. So the spinach was done. Planted a couple squashes. And now they're big and they're flowering. So, oh, that's a hole in my net. Yikes. We do something about that. And also I got to figure out how to get them to grow with that net over it. I'm going to have to hand pollinate, but you know, I'm not out here that early. Nasturtiums are still going crazy, and that's okay because they're also going to keep the weeds out. Corn in there somewhere. Beautiful pepper. Lovely. And other pepper plants in there as well. Let me show you my Scotch bonnet peppers that are in there. Nope. I already ate the eggplant. I ate my first eggplant, but those are the Scotch bonnet peppers that are in there. And I got a lot of jalapenos too. Let me see. Let's go to the side garden. Let's go to the side garden. What you eating, Peanut? What are you eating? That's no good, Peanut. Anyway, side garden's doing great. Planted some more cucumbers. I'm just checking. No, not yet. These ones are here. And, like I said, I planted some more ones. And that is my collards. My collards are doing great over here. These are in 15-gallon grow bags on planks. Okay, just so you see with pollinator plants all around. Pollinator and plants that keep pests away all around. So in between those, you'll see my dinosaur kale is hidden in there. Something was eating it, so I had to spray it with neem because everything wants to eat. Got some tomatoes coming up in there as well, and that's great. There's some more nasturtiums and borage. So let's go to the greenhouse so you can see. Oh, my pollinators. Aren't they pretty? Coneflowers. What y'all doing? Y'all mating on the coneflowers? Do y'all see these? Being fresh on my coneflowers. I need y'all to beat it. This is not the place for that. Okay? Enjoy yourselves. So, alright. So, that's the top of a corn. So, my corn fell over in that last storm. It was windy. Corn fell. Another corn in there somewhere. We'll see what happens with the corn, guys. Stay tuned. Look at the cornflowers on this side too. Very pretty. And what you see growing on that fence there is my cantaloupe melons and my watermelons. So let me show you, these little cantaloupes growing behind these flowers. Yikes. Gotta watch out for bugs. I love gardening, but I don't like bugs. So that keeps me moving. Anyway, in the greenhouse, check it out. Okay, so a lot of peppers coming in. A lot of peppers coming in. And a lot of jalapenos coming in. If you can see them, I don't know. I know everything just looks green. There they go, jalapenos. Okay, and some tomatoes on the vine. Okay, which I had to support. It's tied to the top of my greenhouse. But I know we have some other support I'm going to use. And there is my moringa tree hanging on. You know, it likes to be dry. I don't know when to water it. And let me show you this little crop of sunflower seeds that came up. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to plant them around and see who survives and who does well. And I'm going to do that today. That's my garden. I'm going to go eat my carrot. And be healthy, y'all. Be healthy. And be well. And be safe. Peace out.